Hey YouTubers! Minolta XD7. This was the title on the domestic market of Europe, Asia, Australia and elsewhere. In the USA and Canada it was named XD11 and on the Japanese domestic market simply XD. In 1977 Minolta was the first manufacturer to combine both TTL Aperture-priority and Shutter-priority automation in one SLR camera body. The mode switch next to the shutter speed dial has three positions: M for manual, A for aperture priority mode, and S for shutter priority mode. To obtain full advantage of the shutter priority mode, the lens must be set to its minimum aperture 22. On the new MD range of lenses, this setting can be locked by a small switch. The Viewfinder carries an interchangeable Minolta Acute-Matte focusing screen, which is exceptionally bright and combines the central split image rangefinder with a micro prism collar, which indicates in focus very accurately. The finder covers 94% of the actual image and has a 0.87 magnification using a 50mm standard lens. The finder window may be closed by flipping a small lever next to it, preventing stray light entering the exposure meter in automation mode using a remote release. The camera TTL exposure meter is very accurate and covers light levels from EV1 through EV18 with off-the-film metering for precise measurement of the amount of light striking the film during exposure. This metering system was quite sophisticated at the time of the camera's release. The shutter is of the vertical travel sidecore variety and it's particularly quiet. The shutter has a 1/100th mechanical governed speed named O or 0 on the shutter speed selection dial and a B setting, and both operate independently of battery power. The camera accepts Minolta Autowinder D, permitting automatic frame advance up to 2 frames per second. The camera does not, however, accept the motor winder MD1, which provides up to 3.5 frames per second, a vertical shutter release button, and a noticeable improvement in ergonomics and handling to the XG and X series of camera. A full range of flash guns was available, including the top-of-the-line 320X, which featured swivel bounce and terrestrial security, down to the ultra-compact 118X. Other accessories included the angle finder 5 and the quad starter pack. Thanks for watching.